In the fifth and final episode, we'll be playing Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, and we'll be going into new territory by playing a bar chord. For this song, you need to place the capo on the 4th fret. Remember to tune your guitar after placing the capo. So the tuning of your guitar will be G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, and G sharp. For playing the F-shape bar chord, we'll have the following fingering. The top 2 strings will leave out. The ring finger will be playing the 4th string, 3rd fret. The middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. While the index finger will be pressing down on the 2nd and 1st string in the 1st fret. The cool thing about bar chords is that you can move them around the neck of the guitar to create a new chord like this. Okay, back to Shape of You. We'll be using 4 chord shapes you'll be familiar with now. An A minor shape, a D minor shape, F bar chord shape, and G shape. Starting with the A minor, we'll put the middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So we'll have 2 open strings, the 5th and 1st string, and we'll leave out the 6th string. You can strike this A minor chord 3 times and move on to the D minor chord. So for D minor, we'll be leaving out the top 2 strings. The 4th string is an open string. The middle finger is placed on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, while the index finger is placed on the 1st string, 1st fret. Strung 3 times as well. Back to the new F chord. So again, leave out the top 2 strings, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, while the index finger is pressing down in the 1st fret of the 2nd and 1st string. Strung 3 times, and finally we'll end on the G shape. Ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. That's it. I'll count in 4 beats and we'll be playing the progression together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor. I hope you had fun watching this course, and I wish you good luck learning to play harmony on guitar. I'll catch you in a new video. Bye.